brand new week for us to go and get it. And I'm so happy to be here today. I mean, I feel like it's been forever, but this weekend, oh my goodness, has been one of a kind. So much happened this weekend, and of course your girl Miss Drew, your hostess with the mostest, is here to fill you in right here right now on MX Break. So here are a few things that I've got for you today. Dr. UN has been arrested. We will also talk about Shattabration that happened this weekend, and Tyler Perry has joined the End SARS protest. So let's start with Shalap. Hey, Shattabration. That's what they were calling it. The Ghana dancehall star Shatta Wale was the center of attraction during the weekend as he celebrated his birthday in grand style. Oh my goodness, guys. An all-white party was held at his residence in East Legon. Prominent entertainers like Medical, Joey B, King Promise, Salma Mooney, Fela McCarthy, all of them graced the celebration. The internet was filled with birthday wishes from fans, family, friends. One of the birthday wishes that caught attention was actually that of the Archbishop. I saw that as well, and I was like, whoa. A general overseer of the Action Chapel International, Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams, in a video, he pronounced words of blessing to Shatta Wale. Let's check it out.
I'm told it's your birthday, and I wanted to take the opportunity from my heart and on the behalf of myself, my family, and all your friends across the nations of the world to wish you a happy birthday. May you increase, prosper in wisdom, in understanding. May you be a game changer and a wonder to your generation. I send you the courtesies of my goodwill and the blessing of the Lord. Once again, happy birthday. Be an inspiration to your generation. Amen.
Amen, amen, amen. I can't wait for honestly, all of these birthdays, guys, I cannot wait for my birthday, even though it's next year, but still, I'm hoping that all of these people come and celebrate me too, okay? Because me too, I'm special. Now, still on celebration, media personality Dolores Frimpong Mansu, popularly known as Delay, Outstanding Woman of the Year at the just ended Ghana Outstanding Woman Awards. Now, the third edition of the awards was held over the weekend at the Elisa Hotel to honor women in Ghana who are devoted to the welfare of humanity. So Delay bagged the Outstanding Woman TV Personality of the Year. According to Delay, her journey in life has been rough. She recalled how homeless she was and expressed gratitude to God. Also, actress Nanama McBrown won the Outstanding Woman Brand Influencer of the Year. Gloria Safo also won the Outstanding Woman in Film. And it was so beautiful to see the way all of these women were supporting each other, cheering each other on. Oh, guys, it was amazing. Now, self-acclaimed doctorate, degree holder, and diplomat Kwame Fordjour, popularly known as Dr. UN, has been arrested. I mean, a lot of people were happy. A lot of people wanted him to be arrested, and he was, going around doing radio tours, laughing and smiling. But this man was arrested on the premises of Kumasi-based radio station by the National Security Operatives. Last month, if you didn't know, Dr. UN went viral after his infamous Global Blueprint Excellence Awards, which many described as a scam. Sources say he was arrested in 2018 after he reported that the award scheme, which was held in 2018, was fake and was later granted bail. The court subsequently issued an arrest warrant after he flouted his bail conditions. Now, in view of the security operatives, they stormed the place to effect his arrest. Now, interestingly, after hours of arrest, videos of him cheerful and smiling behind bars emerged on social media. I mean, so many people talk about this guy. They're like, he has too many teeth for his face. But he seems to always be smiling. I don't know whether he regrets what he's doing, whether he was doing it on purpose. Guys, I have no idea, but a lot of people wanted him to be arrested. He has now been arrested. But do you know what, actually? I think we have a short video to show you, but with him behind bars. Let's check it out.
You have some awards here. Some of the awards are here. Then your citation.
I can't believe it. I wonder how long he's gonna be there for, but of course, your girl will keep you updated. Now, meanwhile, Ghanaian high life artist Samia Ofori Ponsa, also known by the name Mr. All For Real, has said that he will not attend the Ghana Music Awards again if he is invited. According to the former pastor, organizers of the award make a lot of money, but the artists don't benefit from the booty. Okay. He says winners of the awards will appreciate prizes like a car or a house rather than just presenting plaques. Wow. I guess that's a very deep statement. Anyway, now over the weekend and the whole week actually, there has been an End SARS protest, which is in Nigeria, happened in Nigeria and still on. A lot of people around the world are jumping on, and a lot of, Nigerian artists are coming out to say the way we supported the Black Lives Matter, we should all be supporting our neighboring country, Nigeria. American actor and producer Tyler Perry is the latest celebrity to join the End SARS campaign. The billionaire noted that Nigeria, which is Africa's most populous country, should be one of the greatest on earth. He lamented over the situation in Nigeria and expressed solidarity to Nigerians using the hashtag Reform the Nigeria Police and hashtag End Bad Governance. Now, I've been seeing a lot of other videos that have been going around, people from Iraq, UK, Ghana as well. I love that, and I feel like we should definitely continue to make our voices heard until something happens. Do not stop until we see change. Oh, now let's do movies. Netflix has announced that 2 new cast members, Shatilia Grant and Travis Van Winkle, will be joining season 3 of the series You. Guys, when You started, trust me, Ms. Drew was the most addictive member, okay? So I am so excited that they are coming back with season 3. Grant will play the character of Sherry, who, according to the streaming service, is a momfluencer who appeared down to earth but is actually a mean girl who only pretends to welcome love into her social circle. Whilst Van Winkle will take on the role of Carrie, who invites Joe into his inner circle. Now, very little has been revealed about the upcoming season after season 2 left off with Quinn becoming pregnant, yes, with Goldberg's baby, but a premiere date has not yet been set. I honestly, personally cannot wait. I cannot wait to see what this mischievous, sneaky guy, Joe, gets up to because, but on your feet, cliffhangers, that is all what You is about. Like, I just can't wait. Anyway, as you guys already know, it's Monday and it's another busy Monday. So yes, I know work can be stressful, overwhelming, tiring. And so we tend to forget to be mentally healthy and happy whilst at work. A few weeks ago it was Mental Health Day. And these are some tips that are going to help you stay happy at work. Number 1, keep your personal problems personal, okay? Just as you need to let go of work to enjoy your time at home, it's important to leave the personal worries at home so you can focus at work. Number 2, create an office nest. Make your space your own. Decorate your area. Make yourself as comfortable and relaxed as you can in your office or at your desk. Eat healthy and drink lots of water. That one I cannot stress enough. Maintaining a good diet and keeping yourself properly hydrated throughout your workday can really make a big difference. Number 4, reward yourself. Whether it be dinner with friends, a movie, exercise, or a manicure, treat yourself every once in a while. And number 5, just focus on the positive. Drew says it all the time. Positivity breeds happiness. So identify the things that you like at work. Worrying about negative things may just cause you to become overwhelmed. And trust me, we don't need that, especially not for a Monday. Now, this weekend, well, just yesterday actually, there has been an amazing art show that's been happening down the road in the Underbridge. We have the amazing Mr. Jemphy, an artist who decided to put on an art exhibition displaying jazz in the form of women. Of course, your girl, Miss Drew, I had to go and be there. And so here is a quick snippet of what happened over there. So let's have a look of it on the big screen. Okay, now as you can see on the big screen, there is lots of people walking around. There were so many artworks. There's so many beautiful pieces. I mean, we saw some ladies that were drawn in. Yes, we saw some ladies drawn. I mean, this guy, I spoke to some of his friends, and his friends expressed how Mr. Jemphy loves women. And I was like, whoa, okay. This is interesting, but you definitely were able to see that through his work. There were so many pictures of ladies, some of them naked, some of them dressed up, beauty shots. We also had, Nanaba Namwa, who graced the scene. So many other big celebrities came and faced. KKD was also there as the MC, and it was just a beautiful experience. I feel like it is still gonna be going on for some time. So if you want, you can catch it, but don't worry, guys. It's only down the road at the Underbridge. Anyway, that is it for today, guys. Your girl, Miss Drew, your hostess with the mostest, is about to kickstart your Monday. So make sure you start your Monday the right way. Tune in to MX24. We've got you guys covered. Shout outs to Chriselle Hair and Beauty for my hair. And I'll see you same time, same place tomorrow.